torque curve looks solid.
Good. Let's optimize the chassis.
Adjusting the side panels now.
Perfect.
All right, let's move these to the bay. Copy that. Following your lead. Clear path. Watch the lines. Panels aligned. Proceed. Confirmed. Securing now. Next unit approaching. Ready. Let's check the thermal distribution. Good idea. Running the simulation now. Results are in. It's looking solid. Perfect. Check the specs on the monitor. The tolerances look off. You're right. Let's adjust the crankcase alignment. I'll tighten the bolts to spec. Good catch. Systems check complete. How are the sensors? Sensors are green, ready for calibration. Calibrating now. Check the live data. What's the fuel trim? Short term is +12, long term is -8. Okay, pull the O2 sensor data. Pulling it. The sensors are calibrated. Watch the coverage. Confirm. Pattern is even, no dry spots. Good. Log the pressure and cycle time. Alignment looks good. Confirmed. Surfaces are clean.